Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 23rd of August 2021 and Monday. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in the real time and the best trader of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, the price developed a double bottom at the support level, major support level. And if you look at the previous candle, we have the bullish engulfing candle and previous high price broken. After the breakout, we were looking this pullback. We had a beautiful pullbacks and we were long whole day pullback long trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday, and this is all this intraday analysis. As you can see here at the market open, and last night as soon as the market opened, I explained to my trader the price already moved, hence we're looking here pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback and beautiful. Explained to my trader as soon as the price hit this level, explained to my traders to bank some profit. And at the London morning session, I explained to my trader, let's keep looking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. You can see here, we had another beautiful two more pullback at the London morning session. Even in New York, we just keep taking a pullback long trade here. All right, guys, as you can see here, let me share with you the how I analyze in weekly. As you can see here, the price on the weekly basis, the price was at the major support level, and that's why we analyze market in 4-hour. Price developed a double bottom here, and based on the weekly in support level, and we had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar on 4-hour chart, you can see here the price nicely respected support level. You can see here we had a bullish engulfing candle, inside candle pattern, and that's breakout. After the breakout, we also had this pullback long trade here. Whole day we were taking a pullback long trade here, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market in intraday. If I look at the intraday, and let me share with you guys, you can see this is the analysis at the support level in 4-hour. This is the support level, and we had a beautiful breakout, and after the breakout pullback long here, first target always be 200 EMA, which is the inside the Bollinger Band in 4-hour, which is a 20 EMA almost, bank beautiful pips. So we had this one at the New York at the Asian session analysis, and this is the London morning analysis. You can see here, as explained to my trader, look for another pullback. We already had this breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback, momentum is bullish, and explain another breakout long trade. As you can see here, price nicely to the big psychological number, explain my traders to bank some profit. We had a beautiful long trade counter, this was the long trade pullback. And at the New York session, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. As explained to my trader through live intraday analysis, we have another pullback, we have another full pullback. As soon as the price hit to the fifth channel, and we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see here, how I analyze in 4-hour and bank beautiful pips in intraday. But as I said to you guys, I also did analysis in weekly. You can see here, and the price was at the major support level on weekly pound dollar, and that give us the opportunity to analyze market in 4-hour here. As you can see, based on the candlestick pattern, we had a beautiful long trade here, and we just keep taking in intraday. We just keep taking a pullback long trade set. We really enjoy. Most of the traders bank amazing pips, more than 100 pips today. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting moves. We're still taking a short trade here. We had such a beautiful short trade from Friday, and I'll explain to you, and let me share with you the how I analyze market today. And if you look at the intraday analysis, that's what we're looking in the breakouts and pullbacks. When the strong, you can see here, this is the analysis at the market open. After the market open, explained to my trader, look, pull back at this level. You can see here, as explained here in analysis, we had a beautiful pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. Beautiful trade. And if you look at the London morning session, as you can see, explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed another beautiful pullback as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful, bank beautiful pips at the London morning session. And at the New York session, you can see here, explained to my trader, momentum is very strong bearish. So if you look for another breakout, you can see here, price broken and develop another pullback and beautiful short trade here. So we really enjoy most of the traders, amazing bank more than 100 pips. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, and let me show you the weekly chart. Today is Monday, so we do weekly analysis as well. If you look at here on the weekly, the price developed another up channel, and that's the level which price respected previously, as you can see here. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to take a short trade here. And if I show you the daily analysis, we had a beautiful candlestick pattern, as you can see here. You can see here, beautiful candle pattern. Price could not maintain this level, and that's why we explained to trader, keep taking a pullback, and we expecting it pull back long here at this level. Might be tomorrow, we'll let you know, guys. So you can see, guys, we had such an amazing beautiful trades on dollar CAD. And let's go back to the okay, guys, so this is the beautiful short trade, and most of the traders bank amazing profit. And let me share with you guys, we had another beautiful long trade here, and you keep taking in this one. If I show you here all the analysis, we had a beautiful, you can see here, this is the analysis at the New York at the Asian market open, breakout long trade here. And if I show you here at the London morning session, you can see here another beautiful pullback long trade here, bank beautiful pips. And if I show you here another one at the New York session, I did this analysis, breakout, keep taking a pullback long trade here. I also updated that analysis. After that, you can see another beautiful pullback as mentioned here. So bank beautiful pips. As you can see here, price nicely came back and rejection, and that's what we're taking a pullback long trade here, bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analyses. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in the real time and the banking pips in the real time, and developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, through live audio commentary support and the chat support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you guys to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I help my traders and teach through live intraday analysis in real time, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Either myself or one of my another professional trader can help you how you can develop your trading skill effectively and get funded. Or even if you are an experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and until next time, all the best.